Hey you, what it do? It's your boy, Robdoesitall, coming to you live and direct from the world's northernmost town. I'm in Longyearbyen, Svalbard and Jan Mayen, Norway. And before we get started, I got good news and bad news. The good news is yes, Lindsay, reindeer treats are still 25 cents. The bad news is this ink pen I had earlier busted all over my hand. Wait, pause. Pause. I spilled ink on my fingers. But yeah, but you can't really see. Can you see? It's not so bad. I've been watching them a few times, you know. But today, what we're going to talk about, I got my book. Told you I'm a list maker. I'll be writing down things, you know. Let's see, you know, it's all good. I'm on page 1, you know. All right, question. Is the weather really that bad on Svalbard? Well, let's put that to the side. That's a great question. I guess that would depend on your definition of bad. I mean, look, for example, I like the cold weather. That's why, a part of the reason why I'm here. I didn't get kidnapped and brought to Svalbard. I came willingly. So, you know, my idea of bad weather might be a little bit different than yours. I mean, I don't like extreme heat. So if I was in Las Vegas or like Phoenix or something like that, that would be bad weather to me. I'd be like, nah, I'm not trying to live in. No, not happening. Not happening. I'll go visit, but that's definitely not happening. I mean, last time I was in Las Vegas, I went to a club. It was midnight. It was like 35 degrees, 40 degrees that's Celsius. So it was hot, okay? And it had a dress code. Something you gotta wear slacks. Man, I'm sweating. I'm like, man, it's midnight. I'm out here sweating. There's no part of this was what I like. So no, that weather is bad to me. The cold is good to me. Because you see, look, Norwegians have a saying. There's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. So if you cold, you could always put on a jacket, get some gloves, get a hat, you know, a little beanie, and you'll be all right. But if you are hot, you are just stuck like Chuck. You are hot, right? So to me, the weather's not bad. If you're asking me if the weather is cold in Svalbard, yes, yeah, it's cold. It's cold. I'm not gonna lie to you on that. It's cold. But that's okay because they got clothes for that. You don't gotta worry about they got clothes for that. My mom, my Duke, she came up here to visit. It was negative 26 degrees, negative 30 degrees. She is all right. You know, it was cold. She probably not gonna come back. I have to meet her somewhere else. But she was all right with it. I mean, it does get so cold that, like, my job is a 9-minute walk away. By the time I get to my job, this all be like frozen over. It's nuts. If you are watching this video, if you look at any of the other videos on my channel, you'll see I have a lot of shorts that I put on there, YouTube shorts. So if you go look through all those, you can see daily life, what the weather is like. But during St. Patrick's Day, oh man, it was a blizzard. It was crazy. I got some videos on there. You just gotta scroll down. You gotta wait to see me in the gray jacket with frost all over my face. That was insane. Because I was like walking against the wind and man, everything was frozen. All the hair was frozen, make it look like you got boogers because all the nose hairs be frozen. And people be like, man, you got boogers in your nose. But it's not boogers in your nose. It's just, you don't understand. You ain't even out here. You don't understand. It's not boogers, though. I'm not going to put a video of boogers in my nose. You know, I'm going to edit that out or I'm going to delete it. I'm not going to let you see. Man, I'll be like, wait, what? That's never going to happen. So, yeah, it does get cold. I think the coldest day since I was here, I've been here, it's probably like negative 30, I don't know, negative 33, 34, 35, something like that. I mean, that's cold. When you step outside and you breathe in, it's just, yeah, that's cold. But you know, we got clothes, got hats, got gloves on, everything. Snow pants, put your thermals on, got snow boots on. Even though most of the time I'm here, if you ever see a lot of my pictures, I don't even have snow boots on. Snow boots are for walking in the snow. I'm not often walking in the snow, although it is snowy. All the roads are paved. Everything is, I'm in sneakers, tennis shoes. Now, if I'm going to go out for like an extended period of time, then I put some snow boots on because I need to keep my feet warm. Or if I'm gonna be walking like directly in snow, yeah, I mean, I'm not crazy. I will do that. But nah, the weather is cool. And also another question, you're talking about modern. It's very modern here. Like we don't live in igloos and ice caves. Like I'm in an apartment. I got a refrigerator, freezer, I got heaters. I'm not even wearing pants right now. You don't even know that. I'm not even wearing pants right now. I'm just sitting here in my underwear. And that's okay because it's not cold because I have a heater. I have heaters in my house. And I'm in a house. Well, I'm in an apartment. I'm in a building, okay? I'm in a building. And yeah, everything is lovely. So don't, I'm not out here in the igloo. I'm not freezing, every day. Everything is fine. But that's the answer to if the weather is bad or not on Svalbard and Longyearbyen. I don't think it's bad, but Yarber and Svarte Viking, I am a black Viking, so, I love it. I love it. All right, till next time. Peace.